It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yamamo akwaba afitu mlikande shia yen. Our Facebook onoswa na DLFM 106.9. Naka seboni chirimondo yemfani jinada emfa esomo. Ghana mampenin John Dramani Mahamane ade smatuja chirimisem. Eye nema makon enwatwe. Ebetumi aboa pa mo magana yakoyanim ewo mpunto momai etime afanto pa edi efram Ghana mampeni chirimisem. Mna so se Ghana mpenifo betena se nhyehyɛ pa na boa ne yɛ sikasɛm ɛntoto na se nya ne basa se bɛboa na mansan dwa so nyina da na nipa hodo ɔma ɔmɔde di dwa ɛtimanya ɔmanga na mawrehim no biara nso na ne bre so ɔpɛsɛ ɔyɛ mpuntudwa bepiem wɔ Ghana na ɔman yakoyanim ɛwɔ mpunto mum Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama decided to dwamla kopie mum ɛwɔ Ghana CEO Summit dwumadi atodwa ɛwɔ Krabopre temu ne adwada kotonuma aboseme ne da etoso adonusia ene Ghana mampeni echim se dedi kan ne sem ayade a Ghana fo yakwa akwaje bosia ewo IMF mpenifo nchenti wa ma de so medi ne hye ne so pepepe ma na boa e ma sa bosia hodo da hodo mo no yatimi atua na oman ahoto atimi apa ene ye dedi kan da taso mienu echirem sem Ghana mampeni echirem a oman Ghana yani yankase ne mabone homade me yani akwa ho ye panda timi aboa ema international capital market nso Nema konkan timi de ma omen da taso miensa Ghana mampeni chirim sem na ni beku eye foto ahodo a eboa na enkurase mbambuo nema konkan wa maden disika puto de ahyem ema boa ema mense krachefo so nya sika e de abrobate triu afa homasua ana afin so akwan yesu ma Ghana mpunto timi apa de taso 9 Ghana mampeni chirim a watena se hunu sem Ghana de ka bebre na ne se no batena bomode atena se anhwem mapa Emma ka hodo a yede no de sefata no wanom etimetua ma fin so de sikabuto de ahye Ghana oman puntudwumam ma ne ma kwanimu de ma oman de tasenum Ghana mampani chirim sem wono batena se ayenhyepa aboa wono hyepa guakwa Ghana sikasem etime asore gene naso brane de tosensia Ghana mampani chirim sem enema yabo ma Ghana yenya sikaputo de gu yebotomu de dikan skako metre gold de tosum yenu nso koko ne senti Wambade mamudi sika etimi ahima badwumaden aboa ma Ghana etimi afa eye Exim Bank so etimi diska ko ene mitre koko bi de akwa amanane akotom e mo menya sika puto de agu eboto ma Ghana punto etimi apa Ghana mampeni sem yan kantra Ghana fo nyina sem bobo no homaden eje naso abadwumaden aboa ma man Ghana adwade ne puntudwuma na afen so obi akwa do diska be hye Ghana ma Ghana ma no so krabehwe de twato na Ghana mampeni chirim sem bobo no homadin atumi ahwe ema infrastructure mpuntudwuma tumi akoso o mayimu a Ghana ba yakabehwe pa Ghana mampeni kasa mu no den sem sei editudwa.
Distinguished participants, despite these challenges, I remain optimistic. Ghana has what it takes to recover, not by repeating the past mistakes, but by learning from it and innovating for the future. Let me outline 8 key pillars of the economic reset that we envisage. Number 1 is completing the IMF program with discipline. We'll continue the discipline in government expenditure and borrowing and work to achieve all targets under the extended credit fund with a program with the IMF. We expect to conclude the 4th review of the IMF program in June 2025 with a target to exit at the end of the program in 2026. And thereafter, we'll participate in Article 4 consultations and adopt the policy support instrument framework, signaling Ghana's return to responsible, non-borrowing engagement with the fund. And the second is reopening domestic and international capital markets. We're working to reopen Ghana's bond market in collaboration with the IMF and our development partners, the Ghana Stock Exchange and local banks. However, future borrowing will be linked to self-financing commercially viable projects, particularly by MDAs, MMDAs, and SOEs, ensuring value for money and sustainable repayment. The third is strengthening sovereign funds and local government financing. We'll amend the Public Financial Management Act and Constitution to make contributions to the sinking and stabilization funds mandatory. It will not be optional. So a certain percentage of funds must be committed to the sinking and stabilization funds. We also intend to empower MMDAs to issue infrastructure and municipal bonds secured against a portion of their district assemblies common fund to to fund infrastructure projects such as roads, schools, water systems, and local industry in the districts. And the fourth is clearing verified arrears and rationalizing public investment. The Auditor General is completing an audit of arrears and commitments, government commitments, and we expect to receive his report by the end of May. We'll then commence to clear legitimate arrears transparently and enforce commitment controls through the gift mix and the IPSAS-based accounting systems. New projects will be prioritized based on need, funding availability, and alignment with our national interest. And the fifth is accelerating public financial management reforms, and we have started that already. Amended the PFMA to include fiscal responsibility clauses. We'll reactivate stalled reforms, including the Treasury Single Account TSA, the Integrated Tax Administration System, and real-time budget monitoring tools to improve efficiency, reduce waste, and to curb corruption. And the sixth is revitalizing exports through Ghana Exim Bank. The Ghana Exim Bank will be repositioned to support non-traditional exports and agro-processing, light manufacturing, and SMEs.
Any awoti ye Ghana Mampanin, John Dramani Mahama.
Yantua Kasiabone Sona Greater Accra Regional Police Command for Abomodia Timiachi Orebia Wedding Frisiane Duasa. Ye friend no Amidu Mohammed Oton ye nrubone sanso anowo tua eye tumi krata eni hu na yade no de ne hu asie ewo ye sabun zongo ewo nkran hanoma eye timemfo mo hono ba omode aye police fo asutire sanso ana ye police intelligence team fo so eba omode aye nhwehwemu ema omonsa etimi ka owura yi na police fo chiremu a Amidu yi omokoi na chese nrubone egu ne ho eye jabido ene eye red ni bi na chese egu ne ho ana Bone akasa na oton edi ama amanfo no mo ne nsɛmtwerɛfo etwetwe nkomo na Greater Accra Regional Police Headquarters ho na eye DCOP duty eye tuaruku echirema eye suspect yo mabomode ade ne ho nsɛm akwakodan asendibia nche ombetimi edi na asɛm te yetememfo no mu sane maboni sei ekoso amomomode ana munya police force te sane ebeya ne maboni ekoso wo man ni mu ne betimi etwa so.
Several arrests and having tried 30-year-old trader Amin Mohammed for possession of quantities of dangerous drugs and licensed firearms at Sabon Zone, a suburb of Accra. Upon information received by the Accra Regional Intelligence Team, a suspect, a shop operator at Sabon Zone, was identified for allegedly possessing and distributing
DLFM 106.9.
During initial engagement, the suspect admitted some of the drugs in his possession, confirmed that he had earlier sold quantity. An individual in the area came from the Accra Regional Police Command, was immediately dispatched to the area where the suspect was identified and subsequently arrested. Upon conducting thorough search of the suspect's premises, police retrieved quantities of various restricted and prescription-only drugs, including Tramaco 225, Tramaking 225, Taprol 225, particularly known in the area as Red or Wu named Red, as well as Dasipam 10, commonly referred to as Blue or Bolo 10. The search further led to the recovery of pump-action gun, which was concealed in the sack within the suspect's shop.
Eni ya uti ye eye commander DCOP duty tuaruku ana wote ninken.
Yantu akasiabo no so na yeda so aginam ewa nkrabopore matemo. Na Ghana fo bekaya na wotwe atwa men ena hyenkafo nka wo mu kwedi anda wo no so eye Ghana Private Road Transport Union. Etwadetia eka ne se GPRTU fo eden krata eba bonten SM. Wonom ene asoye a ehwe omangana akoni badie hu sensem so mekire eye Transport Union atnase aka bom ma magya atum sem sesi ayi se mekese oman Ghana fango ne bua kofom empenifo ateso ahamugye chemu etunom ana afin so oman Ghana sika Ghana city so ya hodi jana na so bu adwumaden a ehu behia pass asenkafo no betumi ate wonom ahyentede na so nti empenifo ne hyeba bonte san memi na etwa mu mpo ko hyenkani bia wo ba moden ya adwuma Ghana mu a wankasa wo ma wo man ya wotim na wankasa nso wonya wo kwan a wo fa so na wo Ghana kwantempo so na wondam de enka hu behia sei ahyentiade no wo bete so ha mugye chemu etunom nanso meka sɛ no ebinom aya damant ene ɛyɛ recalcitrant wɔn ayɛ madwen sɛ mmara no wɔn ni so da na kasamafoɔ ɛde ma GPRTU ekonom ɛyɛ Abbas Ibrahim Molo ɔne nsɛntwerɛfoɔ kate na wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ ɛyɛ ne yɛyɛ paa sɛ nnɛ meka sɛ ne mpanyinfoɔ de mmara ba abɔnten na ahyɛnkafoɔ dodoɔ no da ɛmpɛ sɛ wɔn bɛdi mmara no so Abbas Imolo ɛkyerɛ mu a ahyɛnkafoɔ no bi wɔ hɔ ma anyade a wɔnom no wɔnom ɛhyɛ ahyɛnkafoɔ nkɔbɔm ko no emu biadase wɔn ankasa akɔyɛ de sɛ sɛ bi medamu sa deɛ ɔmpɛ na mo yɛ ɔman mu nti wɔn kyerɛ mu efiri na ɛkɔ woyɛ hyɛnkani na Ghana mmara sɛbi wonni so deɛ mpanyinfoɔ aka asɛm sɛ sɛbi pɛtɛpɛpɛ to hɔ yi yɛde mmara ɛna wuro nti polisifoɔ nso ɔde wɔka ɛntini ɛmfa Ghana bus stop ahodoɔ nyane kwantempɔn nso na hyɛnkani biada a ɔmfa mmara no nya adwuma na ahyɛntadeɛ no ɔnte so ɔham gye mu dum no wɔn nkyene kɔ gyama na mmara ɛne ne ni wakasa kyerɛ mu sɛ sɛbi woyɛ driver ni wɔ Ghana hanom na wankasa wonyi wo kwan abɛfa so na sɛ wonhyɛ adwuma anasa ahyɛnkafoɔ kɔ biada se na pɛ sɛ woyɛ deɛ ɔbɛyɛ deɛ ɔma no mmara wɔ mu nti polisifoɔ ntew ɛnkɔ gyina mmara no ne mmoa na mmara no ɛnyɛ adwuma sɛ bɛyɛ bɛboa na ɔma no yɛ timu no sɛ ahotɔ ba yɛ nyina da yɛ ho atɔ yɛde nsɛm sei ɛto nsɛntwerɛfoɔ anim.
The liberty they are enjoying, maybe they don't want that. Because as I said earlier on, I don't think our leadership will also sit unconcerned for those law-abiding drivers to reduce their lorry fares just for the recalcitrant ones to enjoy any illegality. I don't think that will be allowed. Then we will all resume work. We have our leadership. We will see how best maybe would need assistance for the law of the land to work. Anytime we increase lorry fares and end up at the transport ministry with a communique, if it becomes a law for all transport operators, then immediately our people enjoy that. Why this reduction with some minor problems? It's also a law. The same law back us to increase, and it's the same law which back us to decrease.
Any awuti ye aya kasamafoɔ ɛde ma ahyɛnkafoɔ nkɛwom ku a ɛdin ɛda wɔn mo so ɛyɛ GPRTU ne den ɛde Abbas Ibrahim Molo ɛna wɔte ne nkan ɛno akyi na de yɛ kasɛbɔ ɛne ahyɛnkafoɔ a wɔnom ɛwɔ techiman ɛwɔ bromanim din nkɔmɔ na mu kyerɛ mi sɛ dabi da sɛmpanifoɔ atena se adwen ho sɛ wɔnom ɛnte ahyɛntadeɛ ne bɔ so ɔham gye mu dunum deɛ wɔn deɛ alata mɔmɔn apetampe ebi nsu amanyi mu da ɛnya deɛ ɔmbɛte so ne ate so tena fi sɛ mekese no Ghana ni a wɔtɔ ade wotwam ɔnte ne bɔ so wokɔ store kɔtɔ ade a obi ante ne bɔ so abosuo kan spare part dealers wɔmonte ɔmo bɔ so ne senti ɛba ne sɛ na Ghana mpanifoɔ ahyɛnkafoɔ nkutuo na motata wɔn nso ɔmonte ɔmo bɔ so na sabi ɔmo nso ɔmo yɛ adwuma ɔmo kata ne pai maintenance fee ne boy dendenden monka ho asana mo so monte so de ne mo boa kra ahyentade ndada na no mbegye mo po mu mpo mo betua mo de nsem sei eto de yɛ kase bɔ anim
aban bia obeba e wo Ghana ha fa driverfoɔ ene ka wurafoɔ ho ɔmo ni ene sɛ si afei bra na ɔmo sɛ yɛn tete so no bisa sɛ aban no ne anase bia assembly na ɛwɔ tegyima ha no gamere minim sɛ tembia sɛ lorry fare ntumu bɛba stakeholders no any assembly no hia omo nim route ni nyina route no bi wo ha wo do ka akɔfa ho kra obeba no na spring ubibia sɛ de no ho fare no ɛya ye wo sɛ de yesi ye no but we dey free so no omo de abɛtia afase ha sɛ umpo tefo abawe efe enye fɛ emwaye ɛwɔ kwan bia so acha ban ne sɛ ibi nya adesrede a mesia ban ne sɛ enye sɛ ebia watika sika no so na ha ye o nka etiquette kana so teye no e wo say spare parts ni nyina so swate na ye nyina pepepe even aban betimi aka say ene store bia e bia sadi on fanye 5 cedi e wo say etimi ya adwuma so but ene ni bia nya adwuma only driver for nko aye so na e ya adwuma di esra ban say wono e ka say petrol no ate so a enye petrol nko na de ka akọ enti omma spare parts dealers no so no omo mra from say ne wo say senate no on say tomato fuel so a oh, who's a spare pass now then no DLFM. This ebia yetiswa esa da for no mu be chire wo mu. No so yetisu no ekuru mu aye. I say yetisu be nyanti so because so much for so a who's a spare pass now then no nyanti so. Enso na ma say bia da for na ye say diniti o mu tu tifa ni so. Bibia ba driver. Spare pass yenti so. Car engine yenti so. Kai yenti so.
Eni a woti ye aya ahyenkafa wonom ewo techiman. Ana omu kyerɛ me sɛ Ghana for mo boa kra lolo fe ne dada na ombeje mumpu sika no we de kila beje emunchiremu ene de asumu
Yantoa Kasiabone so na nhwahebedwani e de masuhum pesuane so eweye peye mantemu aye Frankasi Eduba Queen e de nsema beto omampani John Dramani Mahama nim sombo modian no renew ye Zoom Lion for contract no se ne beyom betimi ahye omudwumedie na sena hunidie ho nsem soso no etimi akoso ewo mayimu na ye Frankasi Eduba Queen edin adodo na edinim no ye protozoa Edi tuja na oche musa ya dia oba manga na mu efin dia fa ye numu ye papa na ya ne wanwa pa sa aban yi na ni ommomodin aso betimi renew contract no na Zoom Lion fo betimi aprapra ye important mu adi amayen ne ye man nsu nemu etimi atesa nsa manga na fo etwa ye taxes bebria no nam sunti e wosenka aban bomodin ase anya kranko ye 5 to 6 months den ko betimi renew ye contract no edi amawom na so ye 5 to 6 months ni mu kranko no enya ade a we renew ade mawom ti adenti ana wo se eba ne sa no ne de odi tudwa echirema wo se mbomodin aban mbomodin no renew eye contract na efa mo esan se hom ye papa na ye memenda kotoni mabosem ne de atoso ye aduonu nan ewo mfimpi mienu ne aduonu num nimu ana odi ani ma eye tememfom wo suhum run about onum no mokoye ana mokoye ye clean up exercise omobo omodin ahwe se eye ahunide ho sam so bekoso ewo suhum na ye assembly members ewo honom eye obanbo adwumaku ahohoro na ne eye local council e de man so ewo suhum ebo omodin aka ho amadwumadie no etimi ekoso ye
na fi Ghana amamputia no yeka agohoma atohwa ko se aban editika etia obia opposite on aban bai ontua sika bi anda aban ko 6 months ni ontua emura ho bola ho sika na nipa na yewo omanyu na de bia amampu ye bola no e fa kwa se wo na obisa ko se no se e na fa aban bi abaso na 6 months nwa eta bola onka na ele be na kaso be kona kuma ande senara yende to our room ye room
DLFM
so the role we are playing complementary the boy it is the one of your mama and jambala for once your mama no or na chen ko so esika mantem your mama ti esika mantem ti ye te kwa me ene okuna okanta family ya ho fi bamene ya enfano ho fi bamene ya na cholera ya
eni ya wuti ye eye Frank Asiedu Bekwe no na ye mrahebedwani e de masuhum constituency no ewe prayer mantem na manibo ye nsem troni kontinhini Kofi Obo ana de besom ye
yanto akase ebo no so ane yenkoso anyina mu ewe prayer mantem na endrada na eyekwesiada na yekotoni maboseme ne da na etoso aduonu num emfimpim mienu ne aduonu enumum na asore din da so Leaders Light International Church wo mamare ne ehya asofo mako aduonum eye wono ma asofo pon mekire wo ma odeni 20 pastors ana afenso asofo no mako miensa epeja wo mde bremu ebeye wonom apostles no kire se wonom ba be ya asomafo efisem wonom asoma so na che bebro be de zen yemfie du ne akira won bodembo no ekonka ne yipa ewo national headquarters ewo ye osabene ewo akuapem north mensenem ewo piemantemum na asofo mako miensam wonom peje omde bremu ababaye wonom apostle nom eya apostle Daniel Kisinyakom ena apostle Dominic Yadom Boache Ajekum ena fe apostle Eugene Ayensu Amwa Nemra General Overseer Edema Asafone Apostle Dr. Samuel Kofi Dazi Kasayem ena ochire misem asofo ene wato nsa afra mu se mama mode ya meka nyakopo adwuma no ho na momwa entrodom famwa osoro ahennie no mama ho moden se mbaba adwumaden na mayi sabi sikani bre efri mabra bom ene obi kodi sofo a no peka mu ada ene evied na sofo pe collections akese na mojejeje ene sika saa ochiremu a moya ne sa emu akra ne kase ne wasan kase echirem de sabi wo ya nyame adwuma mu wani mri sika ntem bomana ye adwuma ne yakopon nankasa ebese ne ho enim nyam fisa babo nankasa kasa sabi do oya hwehwam de no pepa ne san ho ka wo ya adwuma yakopon nankasa ebetua wo kwa ewo kwampa so apostle Dr. Kofi Dazi kasa emu ena ochire me se so obeyo sofu point de ohwe anemu se asofo abomade apagya mu dibrem abeye bi ma apostle no mamade se mbetu na mompa sabe evi se obi eye sofo a amansa nyina ne sanevi se mpenifu akese dodo wani ese de ososakra entakrachenti mamade na babapadi na wiase nyina hu se yes mo ya sofo ne kasa em na osan akire mu sem ehu banya se waya osofo pon obeje na kire mresem e de ama obi obedi na kire banti osoba no homaden eyo kan nipa penti watoto asafo mamade abehye nanim to ohwe anemu sem asofo homaden apagya odibra beye ma apostles ne asofo no ba homaden asomsompa ne yakopon mire esemu no opena hinde omaye bomaden abunkuntapa e de akire de sem sei etudwa
adeɛ baako a ɛyɛ na metade tu asɔfoɔfo a maka kyerɛ wɔn kɔkoa mu ne sɛ wobɛyɛ sɔfo a ɛma w'ani mmara agyeɛ titiri ɛnnɛ no asɛ obiara ni sika so sika yɛ o yɛhia sika bade wahu sɛ fa biribi si w'ani so sɛ dɛn na mesɔfo a mebɛdi mɛyɛ de aboa nnipa me nua nnipa nyankopɔn soma wo sɛ bra na bɛyɛ nnipa mu adwuma na bɛboa nnipa enti mefa ne sɛ som nnipa no yɛ mu adwuma so wahu sɛ yɛapɔn I ne yasha sofo my adwuma bre so yade yare fo akete ma bre sisi a ntumi nja won ko ti se na ya me fa me so se obi a se ne kidney o se nya stroke na otumi pagya na so kira se nipa ko no e kai wo no bre obi a yes why adwuma na nyame so ayeden e hira wo but wo di si wani so se bi obi o yare sisi e mami 2000 mami 3000 na me hu de se what do sika go obi o yare this time no be den we nya sika de ama ase nyame bi ti mu ampa na wo di nyame di ne yare a enye wo nyina na be kai wo de but e den a akwatafo du no baako e kai de asedam na nti no bitu asofo fo se enye adwuma yedi si ya no se me pesika wo be fe na metai kan so kire won se betumi aye teacher wo no mo nsa teacher wo pema teacher wo bo bra bia but wo be sofo pa obi a hwe wo se wo be sofo a odi ho beti
eni a wo ti ye ayo sofo pon no na oda Leaders Light International Church anom ne den ede Apostle Samuel Kofi Dazi ena wote ne nkan eno akiri ena so bu penin so a ono so de wasoma che papa badwumade wanyame adwuma mu ye pam ne den ede Apostle Digo wasum ye papa ono so ka saye mu ena wo kire mu sem watena se adwene wa hunu sem edu pempenso na se so obi sofo a ne de ope na oye asafu sika na odne sabom se taw na wadi o kirema asofo nhwe mu hu ye na munya eye good record na munya so no so be asafu sika be free sem ono founder Edema Wisdom Chapel International Bishop Professor Richard Digwei wabobra pa emene asafu mansi ni form dia na asofo amba mo de pagya mu de bremu so mo na suban pedi na yankopon okonhyira so a onhyira mo why
I'll make them to understand that when you are a man of God or a woman of God, there are 3 G's you must observe: God's glory. It doesn't matter whatever you may do, and people will hail you. Give all the glory to God. When we talk about God's glory, the money in the church is for the church, it's not for you, the pastor. So in case you want to take the money, let it record it and let the church secretary or treasurer give it to you. Now if you just take offering and put your hand and start taking without recording, it looks like stealing. And the last one I said was God's girl. The women in the church are to serve God. They are not you, the pastor, to be sleeping with them as if they are your wives.
I don't know. Osofo na eken mohwe ne ye na mo ne ma na ankodeda ankohye benyam sesebe mo hokafo no wonom ne den ono na ye founder Edema Wisdom Chapel International Bishop Professor Richard Digo ene na otie ne kwakra mo nom na Apostle Eugene Ayensu Amoa ejina asofo ne nyina na mu ede na se akese pam Edema Apostle Dr. Samuel Dazi so bon homaden etimi epejo mu dibrem ebe o masofo pon ene apostles o tiento makoso abadwumaden aboa apedom ede amotwadwuma se be yanko popia ne hinemu a wonom so enye ogira ema
ise di kan de aseda be ma asafurade e wani nyamsha odi ahye ene obi a oba leadership ahye de no bi ahu rade kese na yenye bibia se ene ye sha asofo ya asafu ene apostles a ya asoma na ni America ni se ye de aseda me rade se enipa ko na no rade ahu ye na odi na ado media so ye so na wa frɛ Ediaba Osumejumeni Abesha Apostle. Na yeda ye papa DLFM right now. Apostle Dr. Samuel Dazi was say yenso ye aka yense fatalo. Radi bi di ato na koma so. Na what we are praying Abeka sa wotifo.
Eni a woti ye aye Apostle Eugene ayensu amwa na mane boy yensem twreni konti ne kofi obo ena difiri epiemantemu ebesom yen weni yenyina wesu ne yemo madwenkyere ne tewe na yenko sofa na mensofa no eso wesu free master plan adwene akentampo ena wo kirem se eye income constituency youth organizer ewo eye kentampo north 2028 ojim ayasemo o semi pia manyoku no be san ba biopa and yen watch out yate senior man Ghana ni yaba won chan de adre sofa na mesum sofa asema da honi GPRTU for and afin so manga na so ehwe akone badie hu sensem so ahye sa hyenkafo ni nyina da obia ema ne ho modensem ahyentiade na obette so ahamugikemu edunum 50% na meka se no ebinu aboyem fitaduku se omuntua na menim ukokrom ukodwam utu kwan wokwa ya ne TNT no wana mate so anasa dada na yehu adwenkyere na yehu de ekoso okrom ne hye sentiade no ekosen wo 30 seconds per body tena unia so nya kwanya enwuram 0534050199 0593406565 hello majo
Mejesu omeni adede
ya me adom bra kwame dodoa me yentiu
ba dodoa yo Ghana for obinu witini wodi no ke ya tu lolu film a antam sama ya tu pacho ma antam na ma tu lolu film aba pamba po no ma tu ya tu pacho na mo tu lolu film so aposo mo nteso
bra kwame na ukokrom
ne
ukokrom ne
ba Andrea na me kwa
na kwa kwesi se omoje wa na dada na anasa foforo na bra kwame wa yira kafra wai majo
hello
ahon fe odini ma bia kasa free
Mposo me de koni mi kasa free go to the US
sister kone go to the US e hye de efiti ana no meme na bepem enne watumi akokrum afoka na
na me ko krom
na TNT na ko say o mate so anasa dada na
na confusion ni passengers ni na aye de jaba me no edu baby no for neti o mo ase concerning say wo hwe ye mu bi mu ya kwan baby am si aye fe ho US pa bra wo hwe kwan na eye mobo
etu do hu ni say mo kwan ne nyenti ni say o mante so kura nya hwe
o mante so kura nya hwe podcast ba ha nyina say
yo
o ti assistant onu so nti so a
na say ebe ha no
obesi aye yeah, passengers need to drivers for the bimu so yenti omase.
Okay. Medasi pi bajo.
Wafa odoni PS Global.
Oh, odo ehye de.
Pacha.
The office ba minti na okokro ma hyentia na ko sen.
Okokro price ndi omoje ana omoje.
Hey.
Omonye omagen so mbeti.
Wo free hen na wo ko hen.
Ami fi PS na me kwa shaman.
Ena omoje o sen dada na.
Dada no.
Tena kan de muhuru pa o.
Enya sam kichwa.
Oh, we de monkafra.
Beka ka member no mu ho de do ba fo no mbe sibiriwo.
Ena se kila ntua o. Beda ne kila ntua ne ko fitela nkofo na. Mate we de monkafra pa, be se me da se pa. Wosu betimi abo edi awuramu 0534050199 0593406565 TNT no. Ehentiade no. Adwaba fo no be kire se kwan ni bi nya o monte so kokro me ko sen madwo
yawo e kwa friend
oh nya me adom mi kuram pa me dofo na ena ukokrom hello oh kafra ontemenka madwo hello good evening odin ene ba bia kasa free ma comfort ni
bi we yes saba takwadu kojoko
oh me amede she kron Sister Apakan se fin.
But me favorite kaswa.
Kaswa saba me yente we ne kokrum.
Kokrum pa.
Na lolo fe no what do another na.
Do krumpo. If you call ko papa to force di na woje.
Oh, we dia monkafra. Ye hwe so mbete so.
Abanu tutu ni nyamenje de bi alon ko do fefe maye.
Okay.
Na lolo fe ndo no le disika.
Yo. Me da se pa. Majo.
Awo, masamba diomo.
Odini ba bia kasa free.
Ya prime Gladys me kasa free dodo.
Ma Gladys ma yenti o.
Awo, lole banda sao. Fiti dodo wa e kwa madina 10 cedi. Da no muji.
Wow.
Oh. Muni ya gutusa. Uka musi yamba bibi amba se yanti lolifan so. Intisa.
We dia Monkafra pa. Mami fa me last call na men source na Apakan GHM Adwoa eso majo.
Oh, bless me.
Medofo Tomini.
Ai Tommy.
Bridge kama.
Na Tommy. Eki ehunsumponi.
The champion my enti o lolo fe no ko say.
Oh, me say special day atito.
Maya day.
Special to Accra day atito.
Oh, okay. And Maya day am hia mo.
Ya me kan say Ghana for ya so odin. Ye hia me twi aban. Because o de wano e kan asem kire Ghana for a omfa nya adwuma. Agesa abai si wo mo so. Ni me hu we before hu no.
Okay.
Nti no ye nya ne sa. Anya ne sa pa na ese ye dia no pa dia enye yi.
Okay.
Miniam. Da si bebre enye.
Me da se pa to me da se pa Ghana ni kase bono ye de asi sikapa. Sa o sa no pa no mo yire woje o. Edesi a wo kono hwe anim se so beti ana se betua dada na.
Anopa na o metimi age ne de numre de mi hye njo mu ndi so o mesan age. Ebi afiti o china kono.
Go fitela yi kila ntua na dada na. Go fiso ne de kila ntua o. O se men kan kira jenka for de ne so nya afoka na se mo ma adwen se monte so a. Onu be wu kanim ena kila ntua se krema ntua fiura betu fi ha. Ya se bukumanti siga ye ko wai na ba.
Apakan GH.
O de de na ebe yi.
Agopa mason se.
Na mo friend say den.
DL Power Sports.
Abaya we nim no. Tie se unim abaya we ya.
Midindi Angela Abna Sabia. Cosco Risk PSV modern no basic for mitie Apakan GH. Apakan GH aya number 1 until BNC. Midindi Angela Abna Sabia. Cosco Risk PSV modern no basic for mitie Apakan GH. Apakan GH aya number 1 until BNC Midamas.
Kasi abone ye de asi emusemufo ne ya maze mebele ntwene se mu ede ema yen kofite de ekopie mu e wo Facebook no eso senior technician on duty e ye DJ Zigibim akenka fo ye se kodwa be se mo no so edi ameje so e ye takwade kodwo krum twabe wode hye konkron Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy B mahoteden ene ehunsu mpone mene
Adwoa Agyei Sikapa.
Yes also Apakan GHM betena se no da kopama so nsema Enquires no Adwoa so ede aso mu nyina mo ene tia adehye
DL Power Sports. The one there. The Jawo. That down. DL Power Sports. The one there. The Jawo. That down.
Jodagbe wotro ya melegbedura no vinyo fogboto fio gamado menoin sports yemi chogbono yimenko enyu DL Power Sports update medekuku no wotro ya la yo madana grona made na amesia mekropomoto fio no chome radio adre DL 106.9 sports dimila ye menoin juadagbe wotro ya mechogbono tamedekuku no radio a engbadelegia nanenogia anyami ganyo bi tuobule bo no ko ye Facebook e YouTube bekene menga bo hefia no yo bekene hu be hye watahye kun wake sports ne ba egbaji DL Power Sports update mekwa bo fai bekene ni ochemoko ni moko akemoko ni mofiamo ke radio afo DL 106.9. Good evening to our cherished listeners and viewers watching us live across all our social media platforms. Monday evening, we are back on your radio to bring you DL Power Sports update. So please don't hesitate to call a friend to tell a friend that DL Power Sports update is airborne live now on DL 106.9 ebusia mame nyina we suna obuo ahobrase eni die kwan so ba bibia wo bia na nwure mema wadwo ema wakwaba embe piem ewon krampumpuni mantam ene Ghana ajatum kasafidie kase ba kopeso DL ohaninsia echiripo enkron ebusia na dwua da nwure emre we du sa agudie momnante yesinkunya na agudie mu nsema na wotwe etwagu ye efiti memre da besi kwasi ada ne dwada ya tase aboabo no ye de akoma eyesemufo watena se agebre wawu so asone so krogen entebe ni nyina waye fim ni aka edi osiemu oduo tiefo edi tie se wote wohwefo edi hwe se wohwe ne yen okafo nso no edi kase ye ka na ye de bro na wotwe agudie mu nsem a etwagu ya ebumfumpa di adan ye ne ade ncheche ewo Ghana bibrem ni broni kroso ya tase aboabo no ya turidin DL Power Sports Update abusia baby bia wo bia na nwumre tami kuchu ya tase nsem no abone bede ye be sanimu edi agufam edi ama yetna si abribia no won se dwumako bia da roma ene yade nsem ne bante abusia ena nwumre kame ho ne yamfa seda kese aseda chenchenche no emfa ma dwumako aye from Lumba nsupa na Lumba nsupa aye nsu abadwama nso a emu ya de emu ya kama emote na Food and Drugs Authority aye nhwehwemu agye atum se ne obepie mo Ghana na opensu ahencha ne hye no na odini hene dia enoa ne Lumba nsupa enti abusia nsu a obenom de enoa ne Lumba nsupa efiefie mononom enkolane kosku amomfa bi nhye omo bag mu na omomfa nko dwumadie bia odi bia no fasom wa howo ena eno achi nso no abusia mo amotonton so Lumba nsupa no ena monton enije samanse ye wone bottle water ne ye wone sachet enti nia ope bia no obetuma nya no wabobo na bibia aye kama ede ma ya to apeten enti ba bibia wo nkran ha bia no obenya bi ato dansoma ne mpatem madam abanyameche akache ewa P2 lane oben Lumba sport no onsa ebetumi aka madam abanyameche ewo 0557 349 401 NH ofanko ene ne mpatem mama Vic ewo ha obetumi anya bi wona akache ewo sport M washing bay numbers no eye 0500 680 783 ano mama Vic ofrena obenya bi Lumba nsupa no pe bi ato a DLFM ya kache ewon kran gbogba junction ya ne Wisconsin International University no na edi ani hwe bowra ya kache oba o dia reception oba betuo bi wo oni ne ndi nkomo ope Lumba nsupa ni bi ato a obelidi unu wenya bi ato both bottle and sachet obelidi e bia ba bia wo na nwure otie mi o pese o ye distributor o pese o gibi egu shop ana wo dwumadi bi o pese o order bi na odidi dwuma na frɛ numbers way na one pen for twetwen komo numbers no 0355 0 no about 5 miensa 27 47 57 0555 0 no about 5 miensa 274757 ana 0577 475343 Lumba nsupa da roma yatena se DL Power Sports Update na nwumre ye de eba beso abusu emfase da kese Emma Kwame Yefum Otechire yade nsam na eba Champion Kofitela Facebook and YouTube odian atwo DLFM 106.9 honso kwa obetumi enya bia hwe me ameti akunya kese mu ede nsam no babesmodi amje so no eye ayensu ano de hye Apakan GH the blizzard kiyentie we ba yebesi fam ne atuja ahye nsam na se ede ama wanyumre
Apakan GH wode nyansa de wadiawo wo interview wo kasai wa hobrase wo radio mu kire se wo yo pabe ne wo radio mampa enti kagagru
Abusia yanka jangumani yansha nsam na se amfamare yansha se amfam fi Ghana mrantie si akan ewa manone na yamfam wonsam amfam so yansha se amfam fi English Premier League na abusia endra bobokwa ya friend Eswich Town etnafie ema sadam te kobo me kapal palmiensa ema mutimu ba ko enije samane se Mohamed Kudus ekran ni season no with a goal 87th minute and otumi share third goal no edema bobokwa ya friend West Ham United na this season we fit go away to match edi ama bobokwa ya friend West Ham United ya di unkomo ya ojumedi so edi ama wo English Premier League numa no bobokwa ya friend Bournemouth etnafie eche Leicester City bo me kamino a omo entmante enije samne se Black Stars of Ghana striker Antoine Semenyo ewie season no with brace 2 goals enti Bournemouth 2 goals no mo hye nyina no Antoine Semenyo na hye 74th minute no hye first goal ena 88th minute no or the second goal no etimi to aso a yedi unkomo edema na this season in all competition Antoine Semenyo 42 games and edema Bournemouth or share 13 goals 7 assists into this season Antoine Semenyo in 42 games for Bobo Kwefren Bournemouth otumi involving in 20 goals ya Bonaba so this season the numbers na e was really pa enya asam ketwa Dutch Eredivisie Bobo Kwefren AZ Akma etna fie ene Bobo Kwefren FC20 Edibani na game no kwawie no na AZ Akma achi FC20 abo my kamiensa o matumie no na Ghanaian forwarder ya friend Ibrahim Sadiq no on the day ono she winner no edema Bobo Kwa ya friend AZ Akma 90 plus 3 minutes ena Ibrahim Sadiq edi sabo no edi to atrem twraw edema Bobo Kwa ya friend AZ Akma enkunimdie no yanso ekodema Turkish Super League no Bobo Kwa ya friend Ayuspor etna fi echi Antalya Sport ebo my kamino omo timu bako Black Stars of Ghana Ringer Prince Obin Ampim and a share second goal no edema Bobo Kwa ya friend Ayuspor 42nd minute and all this sabo no edi to atremdima Ayuspor enkunimdie no kodema ma ya di hunkomo edi acho na watching Bobo Kwa ya friend Bournemouth etna fi echi Leicester City bo my kamino a o mentumante Black Stars of Ghana yan captain ya friend Jordan Ayew no obo sa game ni bi edi ma Leicester City na Jordan Ayew abaya bekwasem endro sa game no boy no Jordan Ayew ababe African player otosumienu a ebani games dodo a wabo ewo English Premier League num player wabo games dodo a oya African ni ewo English Premier League num no Kolo Abib Toure a ofia Vicos 353 games and wabo and Jordan Ayew fi Ghana otosumienu 305 games and wetumi abo Refreza enso fi Vicos wabo 305 games and Mohamed Salah if you my your friend Egypt wabo 301 games into challenge for me say Jordan Ayew abo more games ewo English Premier League num de che Mohamed Salah ye de wonsam de ato anim ewo dwumadie no na ura Spain Inaki Kwaku Williams Ghana ni obone ball de ma Athletic Club bao na ye ball La Liga ni we this season no empany force of African player ne monemo eso anipa ewo Spanish La Liga no ma omo de sa abasobode no de ama Brantia ye friend Inaki Williams na La Liga African player most valuable of the season no akọ de ama Inaki Williams na way any second straight season otumeje last season oje and this season so no wetumeje edesi na betri so a ya bono abaso enso na uramo ewo ende no Belgium Pro League no so a Bobo Kwa e friend Union Saint Gilloise and Agyei League no ewo Belgium na Black Stars of Ghana striker aye friend Mohamed Gaddafi Fuseni no waboa Union Saint Gilloise for the first time in 90 years no o metumi Agyei League no ewo Belgium yedi unkomo ede acho ewo dwumadi so na ye fi Ghana mlante esi akan ewo amanone a yemremu ewo beach soccer ni yemfa nsem amfanfi omfamre odia uram ewo Ghana men's beach soccer team no ya from the Black Sharks na yan striker Alexander Agyei na Brante Afcon beach soccer na course no ono no Agyei top scorer no edi esi ne naso me no ka say onam kwanso a odi na ni chem ewo Spain okopeden wa okosign first official contract edi amabobo kwa ya friend Barcelona omu beach soccer team no na waye abakwasem said the only first Ghanaian player Oremo ewa manone na Barcelona specifically ekwa sign professional contract edi ama omu beach soccer team na yedi enkomo enso edi achiro na yemremu ewa Black Stars of Ghana akachidia Unity Cup 2025 ebekoso wo London na esha sie gidigidi enye asem keto akura na 4 countries enewo ubenya Trinidad and Tobago ene Jamaica Ghana ene Nigeria na esha sie on the 27th May ye bebosa akwa kopiemu ewo the 31st of May enye asem ketwa na me no kase Otuado the squad na Otuado erikwa kobosa Unity Cup no say enetie Lawrence Atizigi Benjamin Asare Joseph Tete Anai, Gideon Mensah, Ebenezer Anai, Mohamed Salisu, Stephen Ambrosius, Aaron Esau, Razak Simpson, Nations FC player no, Mahmoudou Kanadini or Mediama, Caleb Irenchi, FC Nordjylland, Abdul Salih Samed, Sunderland, Ubenya Ibrahim Sulemana, Atlanta, Abu Francis Cycle Bruges, Majid Ashimero Anderlecht, Abdul Aziz Issa Barcelona Athletic, Lawrence Jokum Cycle Bruges, Christopher Bonsu Ghent, and Jordan Ayew Leicester City, Thomas Asante Coventry City, Felix Afenejan Juventus, Omo next generation or back, Kwabi Pokube Asante Kotko, and Mohamed Gaddafi Fuseni Union St. Eloise we ene mrantia Otuado edi omokobo na emrantie pranti omentumi amano Abdul Manaf Nuruddin, Abdul Mumin, Tariq Lamti, Ali Duseru, NS Nyama, Daniel Kofichre, Abdul Fatah Isaku, Enaki Williams, Jojo Walcott, and Patrick Pfeiffer, Wayne Mranti Planti, Omo to member, Omo Planket ticketing, Ashomo, and Yakan minor injuries in Omen to Mambano, Mohamed Kudus, Antoine Semagnon, Elisha Uso, and a Ransford of Bois, Conesdorfer, Omosono, a Planket ticketing Shomo, and Omen to Mamba, Otuado, and a coach, Edema Black Stars of Ghana. Na ahead of the Unity Cup no ana Otuado edi nkomache wasi Unity Cup no a good test ebeboa ebusi omo confidence na upcoming games Black Stars kwakobo no abom eno achi na opportunity ed my young players o mewura team no so omo nso betuma kire ni omo betuma ye ena afensu uremu ewo England wa Ghana for dodo na wo we be ya kwenya edi amom no manya ni dia hwe Black Stars no no mo ne Black Stars players no so edi di nkomo.
It's like I said, it's a good test, and it's for our confidence will be good for the upcoming games. And for us, we really need to know. We have so many open questions on players, and I'm happy to give also some new and young players some possibilities to play and to show what they can. And surely after this tournament, some questions will be answered. And yeah, for us also, we have a big community here in England. It's very important for us also for them to see and feel the players. And so for us, it's a very good opportunity to play in this, participate in this tournament.
Otuado Tuanen Samson or the two just say Obianim say Unity Cup no a friendly game and also on Nigeria Ekoba and your friendly games are bragging rights na can be and watching so no a kwenya de ma say what they be prepare na honest a game say that when no wait me e de akobo na yebisa say Nigeria no mo level na was through na den aka for no say Ghana ni Nigeria no the same level and sunsunya bi anim obi anchin obi enti ohwe anim so obehye Nigeria for no na wato so Unity Cup no.
Yeah, I think everyone knows what it's about. It's a friendly game, but it's not really a friendly game. So we know what it's about, and we want our people to be proud of us, and we want our people to talk from a certain perspective. And surely it's always about who has the better team, and sometimes margins can decide the outcome of the game. I think normally, to be honest, we're on the same level. But we're hoping that we will win. We're hoping that we'll be successful. It's going to be tough, but I'm sure we can do it.
Otuado, your coach, Edema Black Stars of Ghana, head of the Unity Cup, our land in UK Abrochimemono, and Wakasi Edwin some area to him. Now, Division 1 League, no match day 29. Games on ever so Zone 1 area we Zone 2 no Future Stars 4 Second 11 Wise 1 Sky FC 2 King Faisal 1 Swedro Blacks 3 New Edibiase 0 Mysterious Ebusiado 0 UCC Youngsters 2 Bekwai Heroes 1 Soccer Intellectual 0 Sefi All Stars 1 Park Academy 0 Elimina Sharks 1 Rose Park 0. Now officially Swedro All Blacks is back into the Ghana Premier League after 16 years no Swedro All Blacks are qualified from Zone 2 ABPMO Ghana Premier League no next season on bet me abobi Zone 3 no Atram Divisa 2 Great Olympics 1 True Democracy 2 Golden Kick FC 0 Na God 1 Oko United 2 Rain Masters 2 Port City 3 King Palace FC 3 Kotoku Royals 2 Huawei United 3 Interlice 1 Home Stars FC 2 Akachi Stars 0 Kovodia Sempefi 1 FC Nani Ansu 2 Na officially in Huawei United almost qualifier Omabe PMO Ghana Premier League next season on bet me abobi I don't want some de amount and so na uramwa coach Edema Huawei United your friend Shaibu Osei Alhassan ye bisane se mo qualify eden aka and Shaibu Osei Alhassan echima or say almost prepare very well no mo ye determine said this is on be qualify area about Ghana Premier League num ampampa oma qualify area about Ghana Premier League num owie nso no toto ayampia Edema coach bia no dwana no.
Oh, well, we have prepared and we were determined to qualify the team for the second year, and inshallah we have qualified. But I heard some cat gave birth last 2 weeks or something like that. I heard some people were saying some cat gave birth and claimed that he was a lion and he was the best of best coaches. He was the best coach in Division 3, in Zone 3. Zone 3 here, you must say, if you are a coach, you must say, I am among of the best. Don't say you are the best.
Where we need ya bisa asema can ya be kan we ache not to yampiasa. Prince George Kofi, coach Adwoa Agyei Blacks after 16 years no. Oza boys no more back into the Ghana Premier League. I say feeling no great na oye elated say ometumi qualify no ometumi achieve sa qualification say we no amba on a silver platter jumaden no mo ye na nani age one regretted decision o take here say odwani boboku a ye fane Agyei Blacks. Prince George Kofi, Agyei Blacks coach.
Oh, the feeling is great, very, very great. I feel elated because, we didn't achieve this on a silver platter. And I'm happy that I've not regretted taking this decision. Yeah, it was difficult because some of the games were very, very tough, really tough. But we were able to unleash our quality, as all Blacks on our opponents. And I think that made us. So I want to tell them that I love them. From the bottom of my heart, I am humbled and grateful as well, to them for all the love and for all the support. I pledge that if I continue as the head coach of Agyei Blacks, I am going to work tirelessly to ensure that we do very well at the premiership level. In the name of God, Amen.
Prince George Kofi, coach Agyei Blacks, will qualify team to Ghana Premier League for the first time in 16 years. And watching now zone 3 playoff no Fiada Class Sports Stadium 3 p.m. and because to touch my 11 wonders and RTU never will be winning now so qualify ADF zone 3 and now zone 1. Yes, zone 1. Now I qualify the zone 1 and so Ediaba. You don't want somebody Ghana Premier League ye now watching na week number 32 danu fiada bobo kwefen hato folk echi Lions bo my kamiensa omutimu ba kon endro akwasiada games na aka neto so baby ani go stars anhye bi Asante Kotoko anhye bi Dreams as 1 Brekum Chelsea 0 Bechem United 0 Basekoli Stars 0 Aduana Football Club 4 Legon City 0 Nations FC 3 Samate 0 Young Apostles 3 Heart of Lions and so 1 na Vision FC 1 Kara United 0 na match day 32 start no 8 games and your boy home wins no 6 away wins BMPM and a draws no 2 total goals 17 home goals no 15 away no makuma kutu o ya don't want some my table no Nations FC decline 60 and 60 points Nations decline 60 points baby any go stars toss me no more 57 Asante Kotoko toss me and 55 and 9 Heart of Lions 54 Heart of Folk toss to num almost 52 relegation teams no 16th Accra Lions 35 points 17th Legon City 25 and 18th no Bobo Kwefen in Swatramano Mokodada almost 15 points top scorers no Stephen Amankuna will break 13 goals Faisal Chawete Nations 12 goals Nana Kwame Opon Heart of Lions 11 goals and Joseph Eso Dreams or 10 goals and so on Kwame Pokubeye Asante Kotoko on so 9 goals yede awon some at the amount Jumedian so na games no kwana we from Paul Manson or see game na ba so no a very very good game omo ye ne on baby a create chance now so meant man for bo bia nto atenem.
Yeah, I think for us it was a very good game. The only thing left was to put the ball in the net. I think we played very well. Our boys were very good on the ball. They could hold on to the ball, they could pass. What was left was the finishing.
Coach from Poman so to an Samson Ebisan when we need game way and better league table no so sana obeji leg no. We are disappointed and I say that bitima last season na nyama nkoye na this season o medu the level so mo compete for Ghana Premier League. No ne Kotoko bona wan hye na obeka so disappointed. That be onye disappointed or you proud. I want him ranting and more Madanedi.
A team that nearly went to relegation last season, and then now they are fighting for title. And then you talk about what did you say? Disappointed? No, I'm not at all. I'm rather proud of my boys.
From Poman so coach the my baby any go stars. And I want to Abdo Karimzi to a interim coach at the Kotoko or see game no na a fantastic game. Na team bia eba game no so be wini. Omo nyina create chances na momo goal scoring no and na omentumi anshe.
It was a fantastic game. Every team wanted to win. We all created a lot of chances and we couldn't put it into the net. Nobody knows what is going to happen unless you calculate and then add the 2 games. Even if we win, we can go then it's over for me. But for now, I will never say it's over.
Abdul Karim Zito a coach at my Bobo Kwa. Your friend Kumasia Santikotoko and a waten cano. Yamfa Fieni senior monitor our Amanonia. Yansha Sia Mfanfi Africa Nana watching CAF Confederation Cup and Champions Games Ebaso. Na CAF Confederation Cup second leg final no etuja game no ba na no na Simba wa Tanzania o matena fie ene RS Berkane akwati obi a hye ne yonko e kaba ko na ende no 3-1 on aggregate no Bobo ko FN RS Berkane o mu fi Morocco FA president Foxy Leja ni team no omo na age 2024-2025 season no CAF Confederation Cup no edi esi omna so CAF Champions League no so final no etuja first leg no ewo South Africa game no kwa na wie no na Mamelodi Sundowns 1 Pyramid 1 na otwi na second leg no betuja wo be win no na trophy no weltumi agea yede wonsam edi amao na European leagues no ni nyina akọ na wie na say ena ho nyama kwa French League 1 no nia owini league no PSG team circle relegation no Montpellier Saint Etienne and Stade Rennais ebebo playoff omu wini di ombekam omen wini a omobeko top scorer no Osman Dembele o PSG 21 goals and Agyei top scorer no German Bundesliga na abana wie ni o wini league no Bayern Munich relegation teams no VfL Bochum Holstein Kiel FC Heidenheim ebebo playoff top scorer no Hurricane or Bayern Munich 26 goals and Agyei top scorer no Italy Italian Siano league winners no Napoli relegation teams no Empoli Venezia and AC Monza top scorer no Matthew Retigi or Atalanta or share 25 goals and so and Spanish La Liga no near Orini League no Barcelona relegation teams no Leganes Las Palmas and Real Valladolid top scorer no Kylian Mbappe or Real Madrid 31 goals and Oshe wasanso aji European top scorer no aji Golden Boot no the account English Premier League na ba na wie no winner no Liverpool team circle relegation no Leicester City Ipswich Town Southampton omu nyina akọ relegation top scorer no Mohamed Salah or Liverpool 29 goals and Oshe ya or the aji top scorer no wa yede awonsam edi asomo officially Bobo ko FN Real Madrid in there omapa new manager your friend Xabi Alonso omapa on tuma 3 years contract until June 2028 and omode Xabi Alonso be coach Real Madrid into officially Xabi Alonso says ono ya Madrid coach na Man former coach Eric Ten Hag menoka say ono and wako replace Xabi Alonso ewo Bobo ko your friend Bayern Leverkusen 2 years contract until June 2027 and I was saying Nekrakran Man for agree a deal with Wolverhampton Wanderers Brazilian attacker your friend Matheus Cunha Bobo kwa your friend Man signing no omu to 62.5 million pounds 2 years and omu de to asas kan to ombe to an kakakra 2 years ne beso no na omu to awie and afen so Matheus Cunha ebe signing 5 years contract obe signing until June 2030 ni amete and it's a Rashford jersey number 10 no and omu de mama abrantia your friend Matheus Cunha na wetumi ahia enyansam kito obusia yenyina so na agudi omunsam ayere beso mo na anwumre no yemfa ensiasida kese enkoma kwame afumo ota ekire yede nsam no ede ebeso mo champion kofitela ede yenko Facebook and YouTube ema onya bihwe asida eye ne de miamede nsam na beso mo di amege so no eye ayensu ano de hye Apakan GH the Blessed King Equia Pim Unity and Millicent Equia Boatma Lampard mo hwe show no e Facebook mu nyina no yenchiamo ene mo amohwe nyina nso no yenchiamo enso e wo honom na miame bra penny Mr Kofi ayeno wa yenso ano so ate wabie ma nda anwumre utie ma minchia one wife sister Mary abusia yedi asi yako nyame adom na ochina ye wo nkwan wanwode a yebesa ba na yaba besomo na bra na otu anoma no ena oba na ode awoso no aba beto aso dia ma yatu nufu anoma no ase onyaida obekoso atu nti ode onkoso antu na emene no so onyaya obi antu nufu no wajai zigibi eba na ode awoso na beto aso ede amamu nondu moya on